During the April-May 2025 quality month, the company has successfully carried out quality inspection, China competition special project training, quality forward welder competition, quality research and other special projects, raised everyone's emphasis on quality. The upsurge of full participation in quality management, all-round promotion of product quality and service level to a new level. The Quality F opens the chapter of Quality Month activities on March 31st. The company's 2025 Quality Month swearing-in ceremony kick off the curtain of quality improvement actions. Quality inspection escorts product quality. Quality inspection, as a key step in ensuring product quality, it was further strengthened during Quality Month. From the first production step, every link to the finished product leaving the factory, strictly controlled, it's all connected, formed a multiform quality inspection combination first. Overall improvement of product quality. Special project competition strong skills. Create excellent quality and strong skills to improve quality. Inheriting the spirit of ingenuity. Discover highly skilled talents. Return a welder special project competition. According to the players' competition results, daily quality control, personal work performance, etc. Comprehensive assessment. Recognize and reward. Create a good atmosphere of catching up with learning. Special project training theory. Improve comprehensive skills. In the fiery atmosphere of Quality Month, the company has successfully launched Elica Quality, welding paint quality inspection, process product improvement, etc. A highly targeted, special training full of dry goods. Overall improvement of the comprehensive skills of employees. Inject a steady stream of power into creating high-quality mineral sources. Mass advancement. Control product quality from the source. Quality advancement throughout the entire production process. All products will be packaged one by one before leaving the factory. Every process has undergone strict quality inspection. Greatly improved product quality. The company is also ramping up technological innovation. Take the lead in building the first comprehensive crane focus in China. Laboratory for performance live testing. Filling the gaps in relevant domestic fields. Quality research insights into demand to promote quality improvement. Quality research is the company's accurate grasp of market demand. Key measures to improve the quality of products and services, led by executives of quality assurance, process technology, after sales, and other departments. Formed more than 20 special project research team. In-depth visit to Beijing, Xinjiang, Hebei, Shenzhen, Jiangsu, and other key areas. It involved wind power, ship steel, dozens of key industries, such as new material machinery manufacturing, field. Quality is only the starting point. Know and do it well. A series of activities through Quality Month. Quality awareness of all employees. It's been further enhanced. Product quality and service level have been significantly improved. Henan Mining will continue to uphold the spirit of ingenuity. Cast the mineral source brand with quality. Create a better use, more beautiful and safer. Better quality crane products.